Welcome geniuses to our channel. Today we will witness the amazing Samsung Galaxy series of smartphones manufacturing process. From one of their autonomous high-tech factory from South Korea. Let's begin with the process. Smartphone manufacturing is not an easy or simple task to go with. It is a systematic channelized process from the renowned smartphone maker brand. Samsung collects and sources all the scrap metals, aluminium from various sources including old phones, spare parts and recycled materials collected from various sources to reprocess them and recycle to get them again in active work. From mere scrap and help environment with its innovative reuse recycle policies to maintain natural balance and ecosystem with the effective reuse policy on electronic wastes. Clean aluminium scrap is transported to smelter where it's loaded into furnace, typically an electric arc or furnace, to melt the metal for reproduction further. Afterwards, the direct chill casting method is used to create cylindrical aluminium billets and logs continuously to get them in a universal reusable shape to further transform the metals with usable shapes in later stages. Now it comes to a part where in the extrude section where the aluminium gets cut in specific required lengths and diameters to pass further for production. Now heated aluminum ingot or flat slabs are fed between pair of larger counter-rotating rolls to form a uniform thick sheet from the fed metals to mill. Here with the thick metal sheets, autonomous programs run several stamping and punching procedures to get accurate and desired phone components from the metal sheets. Furthermore, if the metal sheets are need to be further furnished more with specific details, they are further pushed to specific grinding and milling sections to get the part ready. All of these machines are systematically programmed and are operated by computers to consume less and produce more with precision as well as optimum productivity, which helps brand to lower their manufacturing losses and further cost cutting on end products. Primary purpose of using aluminum in the smartphone manufacturing process is to utilize its natural properties of conducting heat, which is crucial for dispersing heat generated by the smartphone processor installed along with other components on the phone. In the volume side, keys, drivers, rollers, rockers, SIM card trays, minimum of 28% of overall their quantity is derived from recycled aluminum metal, which is reproduced by the brand from recycle process we saw earlier part of this episode. Through not only metals but a smartphone does needs plastic parts too, and to cater that part Samsung sources discarded fishing nets, water barrels, PET bottles, recycled plastic materials and wastes. It all begins with sorting the plastics according to their grades and usages. Furthermore, plastic is transported to appropriate processing plant and is heated until it's molten to transform its shape to a die continuous sheet for further use. Samsung plastic repurposing has scaled up to prevent more than 15 tons of discarded fishing nets from entering world's oceans till end of 2023. Waste plastic is crushed and fed into an extruder, which compresses and heats the material existing as a filament that is cut into pellets. These reproduced pellets serve as low-cost ecological alternatives to pellets procured from virgin resins. Recycled plastics from discarded fishing nets have been used since the production of the Samsung Galaxy S22 series of smartphones and further. Samsung emphasizes sustainability throughout its product life cycle, including the end-of-life stage. Plastic materials are shredded during the recycle process from the waste products such as water barrels to reproduce reusable plastic from them. the process. Now the processing unit gets clear HDPE pellets which are suitable for clean plastic application uses such as display screen layers of the smartphone. During the manufacturing process of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, there is up to 22% recycled content-based products are used for the front and back glass. For the phone main board chassis case, CNC machines are used to obtain perfect smooth cornering shapes and finish. Further metal polishing and abrasive compounds are using along with buffing process to eliminate any minor machine work marks on the product. Anodizing is an electrolytic surface treatment for aluminum components that creates a hard and durable oxide finish on the product parts. All of these components are submerged in an electrolyte solution, typically sulfuric acid, and electrical current is applied to form the aluminum oxide layer. This process also makes the surface of the components easy to dye and paint due to the porous nature of the oxide layer. This factory located in Gumi is fully equipped with automated assembly lines using minimal human interventions along with robotic arms to put together all the smartphone components to assemble the finished products. Such automation enables brand to produce and manufacture larger quantities of production in any given time. Precise robotic movements and automated testing stations minimize human error and ensure consistent product quality. Automatic sensors and machines are used to verify components, alignments, and placements to eliminate production errors. Throughout the assembly processing sections, rigorous testing and quality assurance measures are implemented to verify the functionality and performance of each produced phone. The latest variants of these smartphones are equipped with AMOLED display in which each pixel is composed of organic compounds that emit light when an electric current is applied. Once the testing are over, the final finished products are pushed further to final packaging section where finished smartphones are packaged into the individual packing boxes along with their inclusive accessories. Smaller boxes are clubbed together with larger boxes for better handling and storage management. Finally, the set of boxes are wrapped in thin plastic wrapping material to protect and get them a cubic shape to handle, transport it better and effectively. Finally, the box cubes are loaded to transportation to various delivery locations and distribution centers. And here comes the final part where the Samsung smartphone is delivered to the showroom near you where consumers are waiting to get hands on the beautiful products from the brand. With that said, if you like this video, please do hit the like button below as well as subscribe our channel now to get all the latest timely updates on the future contents from our channel. See you in next video. Till then, stay curious.